Right again, we got another one.
Hi, I'm Mr. Kankakee, I know you heard of me. Say it's money on my head and pussy, then come murder me. His ass up, need surgery.
Hey, y'all keep playing with me. Stop playing with me. I know. Get out of my, everyone, get out of my DMs about this artist. Because if y'all really want to see this artist, y'all comment it on my YouTube channel, which is here below my video. Go comment something right now. For this previous video, I brought me a manzana record. Shout out to y'all. Yeah. Either way, Lluvia, arrámbula, una empresa, video oficial. It's too early, bro. We just did the song of hers a while back. Not even a while back. A couple days ago. Y'all killing it. Go keep doing that shit. Go to my TikTok because that shit's on there too. Other than that, like this video, comment down below if you guys are a fan of this artist. Like this video, comment down below your thoughts. Rate this from 10. 10 be fire, 1 being trash. Subscribe to this channel. We're on a road to 30,000 subscribers. But let's get right into it.
You already know.
I still don't know yet.
Lluvia, arrámbula.
Royalty Sanchez. Manzana. She cold on the guitar. I've already said that shit. She's cold with the guitar. Is that a heart on Tony Loya? Oh. Are you in love with Tony Loya? Let me find out. I'll help you. Look, I'll put a word in for you with Tony Loya, bro. I got you. Manzana Records. I'll give a Manzana to Manzana Records. Hey, Ivan Cornejo. Or Cornejo. I'm a No Salvo kid. Chill out.
Estamos listos para accionar. Una empresa que se representa con una manzana. Vamos para arriba sin excusa y también sin prisa. La meta es duplicar y solo duplicar y ya no hay demás. Pasado, presente, colecto billete, día, noche, pase. Lo que pase, seguiré chambeando hasta que mi cuerpo se canse tanto que he trabajado. Aquí ya no hay descanso, apenas.
We don't relax over here. We stay working. We stay playing guitar. And Manzana Records.
Tengo 17 años, el juego apenas va comenzando, jugando barajas con artistas tengo. Yo la suerte y el poder de ser la campeona del juego.
I ain't gonna lie, I feel like this one's decent. I got you this time. What is it? I don't know if it's you or if it's Manzana Records or it's whoever's making these videos, but why is somebody's face always crossed off in one of them pictures? What's that one show? Y'all ever seen Criminal Minds? Where they got these boards filled up with like people who are wanted and shit. People who got the X's crossed off on them, deceased. But these right here are scratched off, like you scratched off like a lottery ticket. Why is that? I'm trying to figure that shit out because I think you, Tony Loya, yeah, I think it's just you two who use that. But why? Is there a meaning behind that? No. Oh, I think they're cartel guys. Oh, there you go, Tony Loya again. Oh, you like Tony Loya? I got you. Remember? A life. A life. Ooh, this sounds like some country type shit. What am I talking about? Hey, it's still all oranges on this side. Facts. Like this. Look at that. I don't know, bro. Hey, but everybody hating on her music though, for real, for real. Y'all really making her big though. See what I'm saying? Over 1 million views. I'm telling you, negativity goes a long way on the social medias. Because if you do something right and you talk facts and shit, people don't support you. But once you do something negative and something controversy or something that people will know, you know will get people talking, people will start fucking with that and start sharing it a lot. That's one way of that. I don't. The way social media works is they rather share something that's negativity and something so negative than something that's real positive and something that's real good. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Y'all see the way it did happen with Grupo 14? I talked bad about it and y'all liked it. And y'all kept sharing it. Una manzana en las redes sociales. Bro, I'm gonna take a picture with a manzana and I'm gonna tag Manzana Records too. I want beef with Manzana Records. No me la sé todavía. Who's that guy? Who's got that skunk hair? See, that guy's face is blurred out. Who that? That's Tony. Bro, that's the third time you showed Tony Lluvia. Is that your boo? That's your boo? Hey, let me try the guitar. Alright. So, I don't want to replay that. But, let me know what you guys do think. If you guys want to see some more Lluvia arrámbula on my channel, like this video. Comment down below. If you guys don't want to see it, comment down below and let me know that, alright? Because I'll stop it. It's up to you guys. If we get 500, if we get 70 likes, I'll stop. Other than that, comment down below from artists I do fuck with. Like I said, I am on a road to 30,000 subscribers. Comment down below from artists I do fuck with. Shout out to Manzana Records, Lluvia arrámbula, una empresa again. Catch you on the next video.